Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about this app cannot be installed because its integrated could not be verified. Guys, if you are facing this problem, please watch this video till end. First of all, open setting applications, appears on screen, scroll down here, tap on screen time here, and guys, now tap on content and privacy section. Here you can see, simply tap on allowed apps appears on screen, tap on it and turn on Safari from here if disable, and iTunes App Store, and tap on installing apps. Here tap on allowed apps, you can see appears on screen, and go back, turn off from here and go back and simply scroll down and search here Safari, tap on Safari here. Now scroll down, this is the last setting, and guys, here tap on it, clear history and website data, tap on it, clear history and data, close tab here, and guys, go back and open Safari applications, appears on screen, search any application you want to download in your iPhone. I am searching snack video and tap on snack video and simply tap on install button. Here you can see appears on screen here, and simply tap on get and wait for a few seconds. Simply tap on install button and you can see appears on screen my snack video applications downloading started successfully. You can see appears on screen. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.